Hey guys, welcome to the daily schedule and math for Tuesday, May 12th. Here we go. Let's talk about the weather because, I have big windows and I can look out. It doesn't look very nice out there. It's raining. I kind of wish it was nice and sunny like yesterday, but not the case. Oh well. So, here's what we got. We're going to work on a few math problems here in just a sec. Morning schedule, spend this time, pause it, or right afterwards, make a list for the day. Figure out what you're gonna do. Okay. It doesn't look like a whole lot of outside time is gonna be on the menu today. Maybe it'll clear up. I don't know. I hope so. I kind of started skateboarding. I don't know. I might be too old to start skateboarding, but I'm gonna try. It's a lot of fun. So okay. So we'll do the words of the day next and work on some writing. Maybe we're gonna work on. Maybe we'll talk about characters some more. I like talking about characters. All right, we'll do Zoom at 10. We're going to do day in history quiz today. So if you have a favorite day in history that you want me to do a quiz question about, let me know. Work choices look pretty much the same. I think we're all in a pretty good rhythm now. So decide what you're going to work on. Write it down on your checklist today. I'll do read aloud. We'll get that posted right after the Zoom meeting, probably, maybe before. We'll see how quick I can get things done. We'll do day in history. I don't know what it is, so maybe once the meeting's over, if you want to stick around, you can help me choose what the day in history will be. Okay, you guys ready to do some math? I'm ready to do some math. Okay, let's do some math. Here we go. This. Okay. Here we go. Okay, so this side of the whiteboard doesn't get cleaned very well. Let's give it a little spray. There we go. Okay, so for fourth grade today, we are going to work on these fraction models. Okay, the fraction models we use are circles. Okay, sometimes we use grid paper, graph paper, stuff like that. But a lot of times you're going to see these line graphs, which is something we've done a few times, but not a whole lot. So the question is this. Choose the fraction model that represents the following equation. 3/7 plus 2/7 plus 1/7 equals 6/7. Okay, now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make a hole. Okay, so let's make a hole. Okay, this is 0 and this is 1. Now, I can break up a hole into just about any fraction I want, but the fraction I want is sevenths. So I have to make 7 lines. You ready? Here we go. Here's 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now the first one jumps like this. It goes 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's, if we counted this up, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5/7. That doesn't work. Look, it goes 2, 2, 1. We're going 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's get rid of that. The next one jumps into the middle. So it jumps from here to here. No, wait. It jumps from here to here, which would make it like 35, 35/70ths. Yeah, no, that's not it. Okay, doesn't even line up. The next one, it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3/7, 2/7, 1/7. Fourth graders, practice making some of these fraction models today. These are easy to write. Make a few of these, call it good. Okay, that's fourth grade. Fifth graders, sixth graders, you should work on this too. Make yours a little bit harder though. Okay, here we go. There are 7 fifth graders. There are 7 math folders. Okay, that's right. We got 7 math folders on a classroom shelf. This is 1/3 the total. Okay, so this is 1/3 the total. How many math folders are in the classroom? Okay, so if 7 is 1/3, you know what we're going to have to do? Multiply. That's right, thank you. Okay, so we're going to take 7 times 1/3. Let's turn this into a fraction. Oh, watch this. I'm going to make my 7 a little bit smaller. Put a 1 over it. And the beautiful thing about multiplying fractions, straight across, 7. Oh, no, wait. I was wrong. We're not multiplying. See, that always gets me with fractions. It looks like you're multiplying, but you're actually dividing. It's confusing. So let's do this. Because we're going to divide. Let's flip it. Now we can do it. Okay, now we're going to multiply straight across. Okay, because it was division, and then we flipped this, made it the reciprocal, and then we multiply. 7 times 3, 21. 1 times 1, 1. So how many math books are in the classroom? 21. Now, what's kind of confusing about fraction division is that there's 7 in the classroom. You really have to use your logic, right? Because if this 7 is 1/3, and they want to know how many total are there, then you know it has to be more than 7, because 7 is 1/3 of the amount. This is one of the things about fractions that gets people, and this is why we really have to practice fractions. Okay, let's move on to 6th grade stuff. Ooh, consider this expression. 7 times 10a plus 3b. Now, for this problem, it says enter an expression that shows the sum of exactly 2 terms that are equivalent to this. Okay? It doesn't say give me the answer. It doesn't say solve for this. It wants me to give equivalent expressions, things that are equal. Okay? 2 things that are equal. This is kind of a tough one because you really got to think it out. It's not a straightforward, easy answer. But what we are going to use is the distributive property. And this is something that we've done in class 6th graders, and it'd be a good thing to practice today. The distributive property says I'm going to take this 7 and distribute it equally throughout these 2 terms. So 7 times 10a is 70a. I'm going to bring my sign down, plus 7 times 3 is 21b. Okay, now this equals this. Now, but it wants 2 terms, okay? So, but the nice thing about addition, it's commutative. It goes both ways, right? It doesn't matter which way you do it. So, I could also do 21b plus 70a. These are the same. 6th graders, work on distributive property with variables. If you want to give yourself some values for a and b or whatever variable you choose, go right ahead. I would spend 20-30 minutes on this today. If you're doing Khan Academy and stuff, do that as well, but you should work on these 2. Okay, see you guys.